Patty and Mike Boyert were starting to think about what their retirement might mean for the future of their family greenhouse operation and their family farm. Land is Your Legacy planning with Nationwide equipped the Boyerts with strategies and next steps to simplify this important transition.
We started our own operation in 1985, but if we go back further, I'm a fourth generation greenhouse grower and Mike comes from a third generation greenhouse grower.
I think bringing our kids into the operation, as any parent, it's probably something that you really feel very strong about. As we watched them grow, we knew that they'd be a perfect fit.
We'd like to start stepping down. We would like to step back a little bit, work 40, 50 hours a week instead of what we are working now. We had an idea what we wanted to do, but we weren't sure how to implement it. And with Nationwide coming in, they gave us the tools. We went through step by step, the steps that we had to take, where we had to go, where we had to bring the lawyer in, our financial, all that to make it a complete package that we think that will work and carry us into the future.
Nationwide's been there. You know, when Dan came in and he started with us, we could sit down, we could talk about anything.
I think it's important that we make the transition as easy and simple as possible, and fair may not be equal, but what we took into consideration when we talked about our plan is how we want to divide it up, and we wanted to stay a farm. We saw too many family farms that fall apart once the parents are gone, or it was given equally and there was only certain people running it. Nationwide, they gave us the tools so that we could put that all together in a plan, and then we presented it to our children. We sat them all down, we presented it to them and say, this is our wishes, this is what we want everybody to be happy.
We're going to run into grandkids, we're going to run into every other aspect of it, and we both feel very good that we got a partner that we can come to and say, hey, we need to make some changes. What do you all think of this? When you look at Nationwide, they are very proactive. They're looking for different avenues to make our lives easier on the farm, to make us more successful, and our future generations more successful.